How do you manage to keep on top of your to-do list? How do you ensure that you get things done and you avoid procrastination? What you can do today, avoid pushing your tasks or your to-do lists into tomorrow. There have been whole months of my life when I have tended to drop into a relaxed mode of living, where I have put my to-do tasks, my things I want to get done, into the tomorrow package. And when this happens, particularly if you're talking about business tasks, then your whole program of objectives and goals simply gets pushed further into the future. The periods of my life, and I'm happy to say in business terms it's the majority of it, where I have written down my key daily tasks and ensured that before I leave the office or before I finish my workday, that I complete those 3 to 5 key tasks, and never ever taking up the opportunity to pushing them in tomorrow. In those periods of my life, I have seen significant progress. Your whole strategy is able to move forward. What do you think about task management? How do you ensure that you keep on track with your goals? Let me know in the comments below.